Good morning, boys and girls. We are going to go through the Chapter 8 review for measuring with um, standard US system of measurement, which is inches and feet and yards. Um, I'm going to read these through for you so you understand them all. You can either pause and answer them as we go or go back and do them after. So the first one is fill in the blanks. There's 2 blanks and 3 words to choose from. A blank is the same length as 12 inches. It would be foot, yardstick, or inch. And N blank is shorter than a foot. So you're going to pick 2 out of the 3 of these words, and one of them we won't use. For number 3, you'll need a ruler. Measure it in inches. Remember to line up your 0 on one line and come down to the other. It is about blank inches. Draw a diagram, write a number sentence using a box for the missing number, and solve. Paula has 2 ribbons. One ribbon is 11 inches long, and the other ribbon is 9 inches long. How many inches of ribbon does Paula have? So start at 11, go up 9 more, and then write a number sentence. Are we adding or are we subtracting? How many does she have all together? And fill that in right here. Number 5, use your ruler. Measure this pen. It says use an inch ruler. Measure the length of the pen to the nearest inch. Fill in the correct circle. This is the one you guys didn't love, but you did a good job of it. The bead is 1 inch long. What's the best estimate? That means don't take out your ruler, but try to write and draw some more beads on this line. How many beads could you draw that are the same size as this purple bead? And then count the beads, and that would be your estimate. Remember, I said you could use this little part of your thumb too. It's about an inch. Number 7, what's the best estimate of a real bulletin board? So a bulletin board at school, like the one where our calendar is. Remember, a foot is 12 inches. It's as big as your ruler is. So a foot is about this big or this big from here to here to here for you. So how many feet across would a bulletin board be? The ones in the front of the room, not the ones in the hallway that are really long. Number 8, use your ruler and measure this purple ribbon. Number 9 is a bead estimate again. Draw some 2 extra yellow beads. We get to our line plots. Remember, line plots show data by putting an X over what we measured or what was measured. It says use the line plot. How many books are 8 inches long? So we're going to look for 8 down here and then count the X's. Number 12, Dustin will use the red string and blue string for our project. How many inches of string will he use? So he's using just the blue and the red. How many does he use? Write your math sentence here. And then it said, suppose Dustin had some yellow string for his project. Should he use an inch ruler, a measuring tape, or a yardstick to measure the length of string? Explain your choice. So he has some yellow string. It's not up here. We're adding yellow string. How would he measure it? Using a ruler, a measuring tape, or a yardstick? Remember, rulers measure smaller things. Measuring tape measures round things or curved things, and a yardstick measures long things. So if he had some yellow string that was somewhere around the same size as these, what would he use to measure it? So go ahead and answer all these. Let your grown up, whoever happens to be around, or your older brother or sister, check over them and then give yourself some big stars. And we will do the math test on Wednesday and Thursday. Okay? Bye. Keep up the hard work.